In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a report from Salesforce. If you're ready to streamline your data handling and enhance your analysis, you're in the right place. This guide will help you effortlessly extract valuable insights from your Salesforce account. It's simple and effective, so let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. You'll want to do this on a desktop for ease of access, but a tablet or smartphone could work if you're on the go. Logging in is the gateway to accessing all the amazing features Salesforce has to offer, so ensure your internet connection is stable. Once you've successfully logged into your account, the next step involves heading over to the Reports tab. You'll find this on the main navigation bar. Simply click on it, and you'll be brought to a new world filled with all kinds of data reports that you or your organization have created. This section is crucial because here you can access the detailed insights that Salesforce collects, which can power your decision-making processes. Now locate the specific report you're interested in downloading. You should see a list of available reports in front of you. Browse through them and find the one that suits your needs. Opening this report allows you to review the data beforehand, ensuring it contains all the information you expect and require. It's a simple double-click process, and voila, you're inside the report. Next to your report's title, there's a drop-down arrow or sometimes a gear icon. This may differ slightly depending on the version you are using or your organization's customization. Click on it. This action reveals a variety of options you can take with that report. This feature in Salesforce makes it very user-friendly and intuitive, providing easy access to numerous report functionalities. From there, look specifically for the option labeled Export. This is your key feature for downloading, so go ahead and select it. You'll be presented with an opportunity to choose the format for your exported report. There are generally two options: a formatted report, which gives you a visually enriched layout, or details only as a CSV file, which is perfect for data manipulation and more advanced analytics tools like Excel. Choose the one that best meets your needs, keeping in mind how you'll be utilizing this data. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking the Export button. This may take a few seconds, but rest assured your report will begin downloading to your default download location on your computer. And there you have it. Your valuable Salesforce data is now at your fingertips, and you can proceed with whatever next steps you have in mind, whether it be deeper analysis, presentation creation, or just a quick review. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide was helpful and you've walked away confident in your ability to export reports from Salesforce. Keep exploring and leveraging those insights to drive success.